Hello everybody, so today I will talk about limit. So now I will show you the technique. About this one, we put about s equal to number 3 in here. You got about 3 plus 6 equal to number 9. We put about s equal to a in here. So you got about 2a, and we have 2a to the power of 9. Because we change s equal to a in here, that's why you got about a to the power of 9 plus a to the power of 9. Now we have number 2, we cancel. A to the power of 9 divided by 8, you got about a to the power of 8. And we got the value of a. That should be about the root of number a of 9. The next one, we have the limit in here. If we put the number 2 in here, you got about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we will use about we do first derivative of numerator and first derivative of denominator. So you got about limit and s approach to number 2. So you got about n multiply with s to the power of n minus 1. You got about s. This one you got about number 1. So we put number 2 in here. This one is about 448. And we know that 448 we can put like this: 7 multiplied with 2 to the power of 6. So if you look carefully about this one, you can see that n equal to number 7. Now let's do for the next one. If we put number 2 in here, you got about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we got about limit s approach to number 2. So we do first the derivative of numerator and denominator. You will get about 7s to the power of 6 over 5s to the power of 4. So we simplify s to the power of 4. Now we just put number 2 in here. We got the final answer. That should be about 28 over 5. Now let's go to the next one. So for the first one, when s approach to 0, so we just put about f of number 0 in here. So you got about b over 1. And this one equal to number 2. So we find the value of b. equal to number 2, when s go to positive infinity, so we have f infinity in here. If we look carefully about this one, we can put about a plus b over s and 1 over s, because we divide s on numerator and denominator. If s go to positive infinity, this one go to 0 in here for this one and this one. So you got about a, and the value of this one is about number 1. So we have the function in here. That should be about s plus 2 over s plus 1. So the question they asked f of negative number 2. So now we just put f of negative number 2 in here. Negative number 2 plus number 2. So this one you got about 0 in here. 0 divided to negative number 1, you got about 0. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.